Thinking about upgrading your printing setup, but not sure which UV printer to choose? You're about to find out. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best UV printers. Powerful, versatile, and perfect for custom printing on phone cases, bottles, wood, acrylic, and more. Whether you want high-quality stickers, DTG garment printing, or flatbed printing, we've got you covered. Stay till the end and find out which one is perfect for your business or DIY projects. Let's go! Item number 5. The XP600 A3 UV flatbed printer is a high-performance machine ideal for printing on pens, bottles, wood, stickers, and more. Featuring a CMYK color system with white ink mixing, it delivers vivid, high-quality prints up to 320 x 500 millimeters. The adjustable printing height, 0 to 150 millimeters, with built-in infrared sensor protects the print head, while the vacuum platform keeps objects stable. Its advanced cooling system extends printer life, and it supports bottles 20 to 110 millimeters in diameter. With USB interface, wired wireless connectivity, and automatic manual paper feeding, it's perfect for businesses and creative UV DTF printing projects. Item number 4. The A384 UVL 805 printer is a high-quality UV printer, ideal for phone cases, bottles, mugs, pens, wood, metal, acrylic, and more. Equipped with a CMYK plus W color system, white ink stir function, and a vacuum suction platform, it delivers vivid prints up to 320 x 500 millimeters with a maximum height of 150 millimeters. The Epson L805 printhead ensures precision, while the automatic infrared height measurement and cooling system protect the printer and extend its life. Fast and versatile, it supports UV DTF and direct UV printing on various materials, perfect for businesses and creative projects. Item number 3. The A384 DTG printer with Epson L805 printhead is perfect for clothes printing, including t-shirts and sweatshirts. It features a YKWW-MC color system, automatic white ink stirring, and a suction platform for precise DTF film and hot stamping applications. The printer supports A3 and A4 printing sizes, with adjustable height up to 150 millimeters and fast printing speeds. An A4 photo takes only 111 seconds. Its self-developed motherboard ensures stable performance, reduces errors, and eliminates the need for cumbersome ink clearing. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for efficient, high-quality garment printing. Item number 2. The A4 UV flatbed and bottle printer XP600 is ideal for phone cases, bottles, acrylic, metal, glass, and wood. Featuring a CMYK Plus V color system with white ink mixing and a vacuum platform, it delivers high-quality prints up to 220 x 330 millimeters with a maximum media thickness of 150 millimeters. The printer supports bottle diameters from 20 to 10 millimeters and uses UV lights to instantly cure inks, ensuring fast, vibrant, and durable results. With USB interface, automatic manual paper feeding, and DTF sticker printing with Varnish, it's perfect for creative projects and commercial applications. Item number 1. The A4 UV flatbed and bottle printer L805 is a versatile machine ideal for phone cases, bottles, golf accessories, acrylic, PVC, metal, glass, leather, and more. Featuring a CMYK color system, automatic white and color printing, and adjustable print height up to 150 millimeters, it delivers high-quality, photo-level prints. The printer supports both flatbed and cylindrical objects, includes automatic cleaning, matte and varnish options, infrared sensors, and dual cooling fans for reliable performance. Fast, durable, and industrial standard, it's perfect for UV DTF sticker printing and commercial applications. Which of these UV printers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.